Hello guys, this is Chanayam. So this one is won't charge even though the charge current is like 2 amperes. We need to think first. We need to know the whole situation before we can start repairing. Okay, let's check this out. The battery is red, 2%. That's putting the charging cable 5 voltage 2 amperes, but still there's no charging. Okay, on the back it says no charging and the battery info is not accurate. Okay, let's restart and take a look how this 2.7 amperes current coming from. Have to know this thing, then we can go to our repair work without trying around. So before it's like it's red 2%, now it's 76%. So this is not accurate. It's because we plugging in the charging cable, so the 5 amperes current just go to the VDD main and causing a huge difference between when there is no charging cable. Otherwise the MOSFET disputes all this 5 amperes current to the VDD main, or the charging IC is damaged. Let's plug in the charging cable. It's a speaker. This is for VDD main. Okay, let's say 5 amperes. So this goes directly to the VDD main. So it's either the MOSFET or the charging IC. Let's check which part is connected. So it's 5 amperes connected to the VDD main. First, we need to check out the motherboard. This is the second repair. We need to remove the 5C02, 5C20. Since the 5 amperes current just go to the VDD main, and so cannot cause a charging power differential, so there is no charging. I'm going to show you the details under the microscope. Okay. Even remove the charging IC, the 5 amperes still connected to the VDD main. So which means the first guy is messing around, the charging IC is wrong. But something worse is that the balls are all missing. 9 balls are missing. So I'm going to replace with a new one. This is not fixing the problem, but fixing the first guy's mistake. Okay, I removed the MOSFET. Let's check out the connection. Now it's critical. Okay. Now it shows resistance. So, which means this phone, the fault is of the MOSFET. If you don't know how to take the measurements, you have no clue. So you're just repairing the phones by luck. You just try to replace this one, then that one, and if you got lucky, you might get the phones right. But in this case, it's just wasting your time and damage the customer's phone. Now just make a short of the MOSFET. So this is a rare situation. So this MOSFET is seldomly damaged. Even you reset, it won't work because it's the internal damage. It's shorted. The charging socket, 5 amperes, goes to this area. The VDD main is here. Charging loop is here. That's MOSFET gun switch. It goes through the charging IC or directly to the VDD main. If it's damaged, it's just to go directly to the VDD main. You might wonder why without the MOSFET is damaged and just directly goes to the VDD main and causing no charging, because the MOSFET will control the current to like 1 amp Sumsung and causing a differential, then it can charging. So without such current differential, there is no charging. So you have to know the function of each IC chip, then it's going to be easy for you to make diagnose and repairs. Now the current is back to normal. Then you're going to temperature warning, because the thermal sensor is here. If we remove it, it couldn't sensor the temperature. I have to put it back. It's okay. Okay, charging is okay. The percentage is okay too. That's all. Thanks. Bye.